In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your front fender liner on this Chevy Silverado. It sits inside the wheel well and covers all that up. Let's get started. Use a 10mm socket, remove these two bolts that hold on the splash shield onto the fender liner underneath the bumper here. If your truck has these fender flares, you're going to have to take them off. If not, skip ahead to the next step, but I have these, so I'm going to show you how to take them off. They're just fastened with some screws. This right here is an 8mm screw. Let's take it out. I have one more at the very top. And another one at the front of the flare. Remove it. At the back, we have 3 Phillips head screws to remove. Another one if you look a little bit further up. Now let's remove some push clips. You can see that they go all around, starting in the back, and just take them all out. Pull the center off by using a trim tool. Then you can pull off the outer piece. There we go. There are several along the rest of this fender liner, so let's get them all out. Notice 2 wiring harnesses getting clipped in from the back side. At this point, you can just reach in here, grab on that harness, and pull it off of its retainer. Oh, actually, for me, looks like this one's broken, but basically what you would want to do is just pull the harness off. This is the retainer that was supposed to be attached to a harness. Let's do the same for this one up here. There we go. And now some 7mm screws is what hold in the rest of this fender liner. You may have more or less or a different size. Someone has clearly been in here before. So just remove everything else that you have left. Now pull the fender liner out, and there it is. Now take your fender liner and put it back in, line it up with everything. To resecure it, I'm going to start with what I last finished, and that is the screws up here so I can hold it in place. There should be one right over here. Mine's missing. Line it up and tighten these up. Now I'm going to reach in here and clip on the wiring harness. There we go. I'm going to just resecure that wire. I've resecured my clip to the wire. Now both of those retainers actually hold on a wire. Now you can bring this up. Let's put in the push clips. Let's get the screws back in. Snug them up. All right, those are all snug. If you had a fender flare, reattach it. I only had 3 screws holding it, so that's what I'm going to put back. And get this back together. Put in these bolts over here. And there you have it, fender liners replaced.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.